The iPad 11th generation is finally here, and Apple has once again pushed the boundaries of what a tablet can do. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, the latest iPad comes packed with cutting-edge features, improved performance, and software enhancements that make it more powerful than ever. But is this the upgrade you've been waiting for? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the iPad 11th generation, including its design, display, performance, battery life, new iPadOS features, and much more. Design and build quality. Apple continues to refine the design language of its iPads, and the 11th generation iPad is no exception. Featuring a sleek aluminum chassis, ultra-thin bezels, and a refined form factor, this iPad is both lightweight and durable. Apple has introduced new color options this time, making it more appealing for a broader range of users. Some key changes include slimmer bezels for a more immersive experience, more durable materials that enhance longevity, USB-C port replacing the Lightning connector for better versatility, Touch ID and Face ID integration, making authentication seamless. Display, a visual treat. The display has always been one of the strongest features of the iPad lineup, and the 11th generation takes it to the next level. Apple has upgraded the display technology, offering a stunning liquid retina display with improved brightness and color accuracy, promotion technology for a 120 Hz refresh rate, ensuring buttery smooth scrolling and responsiveness, True Tone and P3 wide color gamut for enhanced color reproduction, higher peak brightness, making it ideal for outdoor usage. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or taking notes, this display delivers an unparalleled experience. Performance, the new chipset. Performance is where the iPad 11th generation truly shines. Apple has integrated a more powerful chip, which provides massive speed improvements over its predecessor. The major upgrades include a new A17 Bionic or M2 chip, depending on the variant, delivering faster processing speeds, better GPU performance, making it ideal for gaming and video editing, more RAM for efficient multitasking, enhanced neural engine to boost AI and machine learning capabilities. With these improvements, the new iPad is not just a content consumption device, but a true powerhouse for productivity and creativity. iPadOS 18 software enhancements. The iPad 11th Gen runs on iPadOS 18, bringing several software enhancements that make the user experience smoother and more intuitive. Some key features include advanced multitasking with improved Stage Manager, new AI-powered Siri, making voice commands smarter, improved Apple Pencil functionality, introducing more handwriting recognition features, refined app management, allowing better customization options. These software optimizations ensure that the hardware is utilized to its full potential. Camera upgrades, more than just a tablet camera. Apple has stepped up its game when it comes to camera technology in the iPad 11th generation. While most people don't use an iPad as their primary camera, the improvements make it more useful for video calls, content creation, and augmented reality applications. Upgraded rear camera with better low-light performance. Improved ultra-wide front camera for sharper video calls. Center stage technology, keeping you in focus during FaceTime calls. 4K video recording with enhanced stabilization. These upgrades make the iPad 11th Gen a solid choice for creators who need a portable yet powerful device. Battery life, all-day performance. Battery life is crucial for any mobile device, and the iPad 11th generation delivers impressive endurance. Apple promises up to 12 to 14 hours of battery life on a single charge. Fast charging support with a 30W USB-C adapter. Optimized power efficiency thanks to the new chip architecture. Whether you're working, gaming, or streaming content, this iPad is built to last all day. Accessories, expanding functionality. Apple has also introduced a range of new accessories that enhance the iPad 11th generation experience. Apple Pencil 3 with magnetic charging and better pressure sensitivity. Magic Keyboard with Function Row, making it feel more like a laptop. Smart folio cases for added protection and versatility. These accessories make the iPad a truly versatile device, capable of handling both work and play. Who should buy the iPad 11th generation? The big question remains, should you upgrade to the iPad 11th generation? Here's a quick guide. Buy it if you want the latest and greatest in tablet technology. You need a high-performance device for productivity or creativity. You use an older iPad and need better performance and features. Final thoughts. The iPad 11th generation is a powerful and versatile device that continues Apple's tradition of excellence. With a refined design, improved display, faster chip, and upgraded software, it stands out as one of the best tablets on the market. Whether you're an artist, student, professional, or casual user, this iPad is built to impress. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth tech content. Let us know in the comments if you're planning to upgrade. See you in the next video.